Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to sync your messages between your iPhone running iOS 18 and your Mac with macOS Sequoia. This way, you can send and receive text seamlessly across your devices. Let's get started. First of all, ensure you're using the same Apple ID. Make sure you're signed in with the same Apple ID on both devices. If you're using different accounts, syncing won't work. As you can see on my video screen, my iPhone and MacBook are signed in with the same Apple ID. First, grab your iPhone and enable messages in iCloud on your iPhone. To do so, open the Settings app. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top. Please select iCloud, which appears in the list. Tapping on See All button. Now, click on Messages in iCloud. Now turn the toggle on Next to Use on this iPhone. This ensures that all your messages sync across Apple devices using iCloud. Now, let's do the same on your Mac. Now, on your Mac computer, enable messages in iCloud on macOS. So click on the Apple logo appear on the top and left menu bar. In pop-up menu, go with System Settings. So, your Mac Settings app will open. Now, click on your Apple ID profile name. My MacBook is logged in with my Apple ID, allowing me to access all these settings. If you encounter the Apple ID sign-in screen, please enter the same Apple ID and password your iPhone uses. Please select iCloud, which appears on the right side list. Clicking on the See All button. Now, click on Messages in iCloud. Finally, turn the toggle on Next to Use on this Mac. This ensures that all your messages sync across Apple devices using iCloud. This allows your Mac to sync messages from iCloud. One additional setting is enable text message forwarding if needed. To receive SMS messages on your Mac, turn on text message forwarding. Go to Settings on iPhone. Scroll to Apps. Find and tap on Messages. On this screen, tapping on text message forwarding. In case text message forwarding setting missing, then turn a message off and back on, then tap Send and Receive and sign in again. Now finally, select your Mac from the list and toggle it on. This allows your Mac to send and receive regular text messages, not just iMessages. You guys, in the end, test the sync. Now, let's test it. I'll send a message from my iPhone and there it is on my Mac. If your messages aren't syncing right away, give it a moment or try restarting both devices. And that's it. Now, your messages are fully synced between your iPhone and Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Apple tips.